Alrighty, so back to the FAQs. What do we got next, Darren?
Question 5. How can you get wheat out of barley and vice versa?
Wheat out of barley, that's always an interesting one too. It's very challenging sometimes. A lot of it comes down to the variety of wheat and also the variety of barley as to what and how much we can actually separate. When it comes to harvest delivery, it can be a little bit challenging. Most guys seem to have an issue with barley in durum. That's probably hasn't been quite such a big issue the last couple of years, but we've got 2 machines that could potentially do the job. Basically, the semi unit can do it to a point. We have another specialist machine which doesn't get dragged out of the shed a lot, but we've got it there sitting ready, waiting to go. That's really the one that we call on for doing that real finicky length separation type job. It can be challenging, but best by all means give us a call if you have that issue, and let us know before we even see you if it comes to thinking we're just going to turn up and be able to do it. It can be very tricky. We've been successful in the past quite a few times, so let us know if you have any issues with it, and we'll certainly do our best to help you out. Thanks very much. I'll see you around.